Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Taste with Donna. Watch till the end because that's the only way you'll taste with me. I normally taste at the end of the video. So guys, thank you for subscribing. For those who have subscribed, for the returning viewers, thank you so much. If you're new on this channel, please consider subscribing, consider joining the family. You're free. And today's recipe, you only need 2 potatoes. You need half an onion, not an onion, tomato. You need 2 eggs and salt and black pepper. Those are the only ingredients that you need. So when you're grating your tomatoes, you can choose different sizes of the grater. Like you can choose which shapes you want. So for me, I used all the shapes. Yeah, you can choose what you want. Next is our eggs. 2 eggs. This is one and two. So for the tomatoes, I like to peel out the tomato skin because I'm not sure if I've washed all the chemicals out of it. So I just like being safe. Yeah, that's why I'm peeling. yummy, yummy, yummy.